You need 3 cups of boiled water. Take 1/2 cup of tapioca pearls and pour them into boiled water. Pour the 1/2 cup of tapioca pearls into the boiled water. When tapioca pearls have reached the top, turn off the stove and drain into a colander. Drain the tapioca pearls into a colander and rinse them off with cold water. Once you don't see the color black in the water anymore, your bubbles are ready to go. Once drained, pour the bubbles into the bowl and pour 1/2 tablespoon of honey over the tapioca pearls. Once tapioca pearls are finished, boil 1 cup of water. Pour 1 cup of boiled water into blender. Pour in 1/2 cup of bubble tea flavor into blender. Pour in 1/3 cup of half and half. Then pour in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Last, pour in 1 cup of ice cubes. Blend together well for 1 minute. You can choose to decorate your cup with condensed milk if you like before you pour in the tapioca pearls. Pour the boiled tapioca pearls, which are now bubbles, into your cup. Pour your blended taro drink into your cup. If you would like, you can add whipped cream on top inside of your cup. Drink and enjoy.